and speculate on how satellites might be used in future operations from a worldwide weather center. This is the Master Control Room. Electronic maps and view screens display up-to-the-minute pictures of the weather around the Earth. Every hour, reports are automatically received from all points at sea, on land, and in the air. 22,000 miles out in space, 3 robot satellites train their sensitive television eyes on all parts of the Earth. These pictures are monitored on viewing screens in the Weather Center. Here in the computing room, electronic machines digest the constant flood of information received from all stations. This is then translated into an ever-changing diagram of the Earth's weather. Forecasts for every sector of the globe are made months in advance. Prediction charts have indicated that a powerful hurricane will begin forming today in the Atlantic Ocean. The electronic weather map shows an intense storm system building up about 1,000 miles due east of Miami, Florida. The controller calls for a close-up satellite view of the troubled area.
Coordinates: Coco 526, Yankee 2.5.
Okay, controller. Coco 526, Yankee 2.5.
Characteristic swirling clouds of the hurricane are beginning to form. At sea, the waves anticipate the violence to come. The controller calls for a last-minute prediction of the hurricane's path. If control measures are not begun at once, the hurricane will smash across densely populated areas within 48 hours.
11 a.m. EST. A hurricane is forming 960 miles east of Miami, Florida. If control measures are ineffective, it will pass inland at Cape Hatteras in 48 hours. Control operations will begin within 2 hours, but safety precautions should be completed from Cape Fear, north no later than 6 p.m. tomorrow.
At Weather Central, the control strategy is mapped out. A ridge of high pressure slants across the eastern United States between 2 low-pressure storm systems. If these 2 storm centers are intensified, the high will build up along the coast, forming a barrier that will turn the hurricane out to sea.
Stand by. Now pulling in satellite number 1 for visual check of low-pressure systems L20 and L21.
The operator brings the satellite into focus on the 2 storms. One centered over Kansas, the other over Labrador.
Changing the northeastern low, L21.
With the touch of a button, the battle begins. On the ground, chemical cloud seeders begin to work the 2 storm areas. Robot planes seed the clouds from above. The storm centers over Kansas and over Labrador intensify as seeding continues.
Now changing over to Hurricane Center HE.
Hurricane Florence still walloping North Carolina damn near 4 days later. That ain't fucking Mother Nature. That's weather warfare. Time to come up like a video. Batten down the hatches. Apparently West Virginia, Appalachian Mountains, you're up fucking next. It's a fucking hurricane downgraded to a tropical storm.
Uh-oh. Have you done told you this. Just don't listen.
Mudslides, landslides. You're about to get fucking walloped. West Virginia.
She didn't hear me, though. Now. I must.
Major fucking flooding in North Carolina. That's for bringing us Speedy Pablo. Good God. Stay dead but shitty. That's for trying to outshine the 40-ounce bottle. Star of the show. Stay dead Jacobation. Tried to troll me. Can't fucking troll me. The troll of trolls. With your one t-shirt, the Bud Light, #1 draft pick. That down the hatches. It's a hurricane. Shout out to everybody watching my Hurricane Florence man-made hurricane flat earth bolt liquor video, approaching 2,000 views. Bolt liquor viral video on the fucking chairman, #1 provider of bolt liquor entertainment on the internet, Wolf of fucking Wall Street. America's treasure. Steve Whoop Y2.
Keep you running from the werewolf. Howling at the moon on the roof. No! Get him up. 10 niggas on him. Oh, God's widow. Give me your back. Let me split him. I have him with a pillow in the casket. Won't fit him. Only reason I did him. Wouldn't fight back. Just fight back. Right back. Laying up. Right back. At you. When I snatch him. I'm about to pay nothing but bones and ass.
As soon as it's done walloping West Virginia in the Appalachian Mountains, the old mountain man people, moonshiners, out down the fucking hatches, should be drinking malt liquor, not fucking moonshine, out in the fucking woods. As soon as West Virginia's done, it's supposed to hang a right. In Walla, Pennsylvania. Stay tuned for outdoor MLVs coming up this week.
When you rock, plus if it gets
Shout out to all the new viewers that subscribe to my YouTube channel, SteelWood2. You get up to date weather coverage all year round. Fast food entertainment. Football injuries that are celebrated on SteelWood2. Don't forget to subscribe to SteelWood, my original YouTube channel. Approaching 10 years on YouTube, getting totally shit-faced. Approaching swell.
Walk right up in the room like fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. Looking like it's all good, but fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. And I really wish a nigga would say fuck everybody but me. Everybody but me. And you could be just like me. Say fuck everybody. Everybody but me. Everybody but me. Everybody but me.
Feeling good.
Everybody but me. Say fuck everybody.
KCMO, born and raised if you ain't get the memo. Slipping in my city is a no. We put down the demo, then go stuffing them hoes in the limo. Cause they say they serving more John than Jay Leno. What they see and walk through the doors. Winners, haters mugging us because they hoes. Winners, sinners better simmer. We're thinking they wanna chin us. Better remember it ain't nothing but rogue in us. Stepping out for technique, and yes sir, weather remains, weather she came. Next thing you know, man, that girl want everything.
Can't get more hood than this. Drinking malt liquor with Make America Great Again bull cap on. Ski mask while playing Tech 9. Can't fucking outtroll me. No fucking door foam. Okay, malt liquor category 5. Be bold, be smooth, be fucking powerful, or get the fuck off the internet. Too bad they couldn't fucking stop a hurricane on Florida. Wipe that fucking shithole state right off the flat earth. Oh well, fucking on to the next one. Boop.